We are Abhi and Yvanka. In June 2021, we spent 2 weeks on the Greek island of Crete, snorkeling, hiking, trying amazing food and much more, and we'll be showing you all of that in this travel series. Here's a glimpse. So, starting our hike in the Samaria Gorge. This gorge is not to be taken lightly. I must have gotten some hot power or something. You can see my shorts are torn. I have to do the rest of this hike in my swim shorts. We are in like an old settlement of Samaria.
I'll be by your side all the time. You will need all of your strength.
9 kilometers.
7 to go.
Getting out of this one.
We have arrived at the narrowest part of the gorge. And we made it! Woo! 14 kilometers. Maybe there is 1 or 2 more to go, but we made it.
Getting out of this one.
So we are hiking our way down to Preveli beach. Welcome to Preveli beach. It's a very unique beach. It has some sort of a canal or some stream surrounded with a lot of palm forests next to it, which you will see just about now.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light.
Beach, palm forest.
Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car.
We are here at the Preveli beach sea. Preveli sea? It's actually pretty cold. There is this river from the gorge that is coming inside through those palm forests that you see over there, and that stream is super cold, so it's not the warmest of the seas that we have been to. There is a short hike that you have to go through to get down to this beach. Takes roughly about 25 minutes, I would say. But it's pretty cool. I've never seen a beach that is more unique than this one, especially with all these palm trees. See you on the other side.
I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and